What?
No.
You tell me if you want to go there?
No.
Why?
I don't want.
Why?
I know.
Why?
No. Sorry. Tarugin mo na kuya kung nakausap.
Diniutan tayo dyan, tapos kakanan.
No.
Why? Where's that? Is that Lolo Epi's house? Or where do you want to sleep?
Lolo Angie.
I cannot hear you. Where do you want to sleep?
Lolo Angie.
Where?
Lolo Angie.
Lolo Angie's house?
Yes.
Are you sure? If we go home, you will behave? You promise?
Yes.
You promise you will behave?
Yes.
If you will not behave, I will bring you here. You want?
No.
Huh?
No.
Do you love me?
Yes.
Do you love daddy? I don't love... sige, I bring you here. Don't love daddy,
Don't
ah?
love daddy?
Don't love daddy? Bring you ambulance?
You love daddy? Yeah? Sige, we bring you to Lolo
I'll bring you to Lolo Epi na. Don't love daddy pala eh.
How much you love daddy?
Ba, 200 pa lang.
200.
Do you love Lolo Angie? How much?
100.
Aba, mas malaki pa rin si Edward, ah.
How about the 200 pala?
200
For you.
for daddy. How much you love Tita Ninang?
100. Are you going
100. How about Tita Mickey? How about Lolo Epi? How about Lola Ramsey? No also? How about Mama Cat?
Ito?
You know Lola Ramsey?
No.
You know eh.
How about daddy? How much you love daddy? I cannot hear.
200? That's the highest ah.
You miss daddy?
Miss Daddy? Oh, you sleep.
Oh,
Yes.
you're not bringing you.
If you sleep... Oh, dito ka kanan pa eh. Kabila.
Kabila.